That's super dope.
Oh, that looks good.
What's up guys, I'm Carl and I am going to unbox this mystery product here. I have no idea what it is.
We are in OPPO Malaysia right now and we got some mysterious boxes here on the table. Pretty, what? Whoa.
Ooh. Okay. So let's take a look what it is. Okay, the OPPO Find N2 Flip.
Trying to search the crease here and I think there is nothing.
This comes off and it's almost like this nice little presentation box. You can kind of see how that flips up. The phone is of course on top and we've got of course all of the charging stuff on the inside. That's super dope out of the plastic. This almost reminds me of, you know, those flip phones were super popular back in the 90s and I love how large that cover screen is and I'm gonna power this on for the very first time. And there it goes, the Find N2 Flip starting to power on. And the first thing that you have to test with any sort of flip or fold device is that hinge mechanism. And that is super, super slick.
Okay, so we have, a large screen on the back of it so you can get all your information right there. You've got your notifications. Running my finger over that, that is literally, there is no crease at all. So just close that up. Has a nice little noise to it. So there's obviously magnets that pull that in together. And the spine of it, OPPO branding there, looks really good. And the weight of this thing is super light. And the pocketability of that, of course, when you fold it down, that's what it's all about. So you'll be able to easily fit this into your pocket.
I think it's like the frosted black you get in the X5 series.
How do I look?
Fancy as usual. The first impression, you don't think it's a flip phone. You can fold it. For sure.
This little front screen that we see here, that's probably one of the largest cover screens that I've seen on any flip phone, to be honest. It's obviously big, it's usable, and you can fully see all your notifications kind of swiping over. This is the real test for any flipping phone. It's that hinge and where that crease is in the middle. And I'm looking off angle here and I can barely see any crease. So there is pretty much zero gap and that hinge mechanism looks really clean.
So you can use the outer screen, of course, as a preview for the camera. So you just tap up here in the upper left-hand corner. And there we go. I can frame myself here and take a selfie just like that, which is real quick shutter right there and a very clear, bright screen, which is good.
We can use the main camera here to take our selfies, so we don't need to really rely on your front camera.
Really nice compact size is what it's all about. So this OPPO Find N2 Flip is a real nice phone.
You love it?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, I do like it. So you know what? I will say bye-bye to you and I will keep it to me.
No, no, no.
Oh yes.
It seems quick, it seems snappy, and of course, flippy. And for pocketability, it's nice and compact, obviously in this form factor. It isn't too bulky, and you know what? I'm just gonna slide this in my pocket, walk away. It's mine.